Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to another video from Arts by Janelle. I hope that you all are doing well. But if you're new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss out any of my future videos. Period. Yes, so if you're new or not, please leave a like on this video, like the video and comment and share. Don't be mean. Share the video. Share the video. Don't be mean. Alright. So when I basically see what going on the video already, I'm going to be drawing and shading a baby, like a 2-year-old toddler, age group. And yeah, you're basically seeing like these. You saw this technique before when I was painting the fish, when I was doing the fighter fish painting tutorial. I like this technique because it's just easy to just print over the sketch rather than just drawing it over. And just use that quick easy method. And yeah, I did not video me doing the sketch. I don't know why. I could, but I didn't. But that's okay, guys. You're seeing me tracing the lines, so you see the different lines and things where you have to draw for get that sketch there. Easily. So I love how it turned out, the little print thing. I think it's a good method that you should try. Also guys, I don't know if you realized, but in the sketch the baby was drawn on the center of the paper. While tracing it on the cartridge paper, I place the sketch more onto the edge of the paper. If you realized, you want a trophy. Yeah. I did that because I wanted to draw the action of the baby, because the baby has one of his hand out. So enough talking, let us start to shade. So I don't really know how to explain what I'm doing. I think it's just best that you guys watch me do the do. So you see that I started from the pupils and then I went on to my eyebrows, and you can see how I shaded each things differently. I shaded the eyebrow by doing like line strokes like around the iris, and then I don't even know the parts of my eye, but yeah, just observe what I did. Yeah, good. And then for the eyebrows I used line strokes, and then after I did the line stroke, then I shaded and I added more line strokes on top of it to create like depth, like here is built up on each other. So this is my layout. Yep. And then I moved on to just using my different shades of pencils, light pencil, like 2B pencil for an area that I want to stay lighter than, like for his eyebrow and his eye, I use like a 6B to get it darker. And you can see how I did the hair. I basically created like like circles just going around, and then after I did that I used a darker pencil to fill out the spots to make it look more defined and less empty. Yes, so I basically did like circle lines to add the texture of hair, and it also make it look curly because it's baby hair. The baby is a black baby, so him have curly hair. You You can also see that I use lines, like very thin lines at his hairline to represent baby hair. So this is how I shade. I shade areas where I know supposed to be dark, and I let the light areas stay white, and then I use a tissue and smudge the dark areas into the light areas to make it look natural and smooth. And then if I want to like add a little glow or let an area be lighter or have a little shine or whatever, I use my rubber and erase that part so it leave a little more natural glowy look where necessary. And that is how I shade. Everyone really has their own way of shading. This is my way. As I explained before, some persons add more shading on top of their smudging to make it have a little rough texture, but I shade differently. Everybody have their different ways of performing different actions, as long as the result is somewhat similar and as long as I reach to a result. So it doesn't matter. Your way can be different from mine. The work is, or the aim is to get the work done, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, just observe how I shade the cloth. Well, the shirt, yeah, cloth. I shaded areas where I knew supposed to be dark, and as I said, the light areas I just left it white, and I just use my tissue or hand towel and just smudge the dark areas into the light areas. And if I want to leave any glow, I come in with my rubber and just leave that glow. So the white area or the light areas will basically represent areas that are basically projecting, and the dark areas would be like giving the impression of depth in the fabric. Cause you know when your clothes is crushed or folded, you can have some areas darker than some, which gives it like a natural look. Yeah, natural look. And yes, this is an element of value, and I'm basically telling you something that I learned in class. Yes, we had to go through the different elements of arts. This can show line, this can show form, this can show value, it can show space, it can show all sorts of things. But the main thing here is the value, because I can see my light areas from my dark areas. I can see where my light source is coming from. You can see that his nostrils are like pitch black. His neck under his face on his left or right is right. Yeah, when I turn it away, yeah, right. So you know, areas are supposed to be dark, some areas are supposed to be light. The middle of his forehead, you know, the projecting parts of his shirt, areas on his hands are supposed to left white. But yeah, value, that's what it's called. I am thinking of doing a giveaway, but I'm not sure what I'll be giving away. I'll probably do a very large, amazing painting and give it away, like I do it on a canvas or something, or I let you guys perform some task and then I will draw the winner and frame it and deliver it to you, and I would like do a big one. But I'm just thinking of like, you know, ways to go about it and like what could be my prize. But I'll be definitely be doing a giveaway. If you guys want something else rather than a drawing or a painting, then it could be anything else that you desire. So just leave it in the comment section. Like, you guys are not commenting. Like, when I ask you to comment something, you're not commenting. But definitely comment on this topic. What would you guys like for a giveaway? Yeah, because I'm thinking about it, and I'll definitely be doing a giveaway. Probably when I reach 3K subscribers, or probably when I'm monetized. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'll definitely be doing a giveaway and very soon. So I'm almost done shading. What do you guys think about the artwork thus far? Let me know in the comment section down below. What are your thoughts on this piece? I love to hear it. But yes guys, here it is. Like, I am loving this piece. Like, it looks amazing, and I think it's like, it's a good thing when like you practice more, because this piece is definitely the best portrait I've ever done since I've been doing portraits or drawings, rather than just his face or his facial features. Like his clothing and everything is just moi. But yeah guys, when you're drawing, just remember that if you want to leave your background empty, you have to make the background pop. You have to make the artwork pop. So you need to like make sure that your background is clean. So all that smudging that you did may have caused the white area around the drawing to be messy. You just rub those out, and guys, it leaves it popping. Like, look at that, look at that. So yeah, I'm just leaving my signature. Arts by Janelle. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright. Yo, I can't talk, you know. Yo, I'm gonna take this out. No, I'm not take it out. I'm not gonna say almost there. Yeah. But yeah, I did it for a customer and my customer loved it. I didn't get to video her reaction. Yeah, so sad of me, but let me know what you guys think about this drawing in the comment section, and just observe the details. Oh my god. You guys will also see how I, put it in the frame and present it to my customers. And yeah, don't forget to leave a like on this video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends to show that someone is around here trying to reach to people, to inspire people, to showcase their talent, that which God has given you. Utilize it to the fullest. So that's my frame, and you're gonna watch me, do what I gotta do. By the way, if you guys would like a requested artwork, my DMs are open. My business page is Arts by Janelle on Instagram, the same thing as my YouTube channel's name. And I also have a personal page that's plain Janelle, same spelling, but some underscores and full stop, which is best if you find the @ in my Arts by Janelle Instagram bio, which would be easier. But both of them links are in my video description, so you can always go ahead and click it. I also do posters, like digital posters. I also paint. I do wall paintings. I do drawings, portraits, you name it, as long as it's arts. Yeah, I'm a big arts fan. But yeah, that's how it looks in the frame, and yeah, amazing. So my nephew wants to talk to you guys. What do you want to say?
Hi.
You want to say hi?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi. So what you want them to do? You want them to like the video and subscribe?
Yeah.
So tell them now.
Subscribe to my video.
Yeah, you hear that? Yeah! Yeah, Jenna! You hear that? So make sure to subscribe to my video.
Subscribe to my video.
So yeah, I'm loving it. I show you guys my reference and everything, and I hope that you guys love the video. And yeah, until next time, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.